Assalamu alaikum student. This is the continue lecture 1. In previous video lecture I realized that the size of this video is increased, so that's why we will give him, like, we will distribute this into the portions. So in first lecture we will see that when we can take x to be common, so we will find the x plus 5. When we can take 1 to be common, so 1 is actually multiplicative identity, it cannot affect, so this will be x plus 5. Now x minus 1, when we can take x plus 5 from both, so x plus 5 when we can take common, so here we can find x, this is 1, and x plus 5 is common from both. Here we will define the sum constant term a and b. Now these are the another methods, but to find the solutions, but here we can find only the method with the partial fractions. You can see that there are another methods, but just we can find solutions with the partial fractions. So this is x minus 1 into x plus 1 x plus 5, so a into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 5. Remember that there are lots of methods in my laptop. When I can search methods, so there are lots of methods, but when you are bounded that find the solutions with partial fractions, then you are bounded. You must find the solution with partial fractions. If you are unbounded, if someone says that solve or simplify either in board exam or pre-board exam, then you are independent to either find the solutions with any method that you are did before this. Now what we can do, we multiply this term x plus 1 into x plus 5 into both sides. So when we can multiply x plus 1 x plus 5 over here, so they will cancel. X minus 1 x plus 5, when we can multiply, so they will cancel each other. Similarly, when we can multiply x plus 1 x plus 5 with a, so x plus 1 x plus 1 will be cancelled. Here just we will find x plus 5. Similarly, when we can multiply x plus 1 x plus 5 over here, so x plus 5 will be cancelled. Just x plus 1 will be the remaining part. Now this is, let's say this is equation number 2. Now what we can do, we can find the zeros of this. First we will take x plus 1 x plus 5 to be 0. So it gave us two values, that the product of two numbers, this is 0. It means that x plus 1, either this is 0 or x plus 5 is 0. We will find the values of x, which is x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 5. Now first we will take x is equal to minus 1 and then x is equal to minus 5. So when we can take x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, so put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. This is minus 1 minus 1. This is minus 1 plus 5. This is minus 1 plus 1. Here it is. Now minus 1, this is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 5. Plus minus minus 5 minus 1. This is 4 with greater sign, so it will be positive. So we cannot write positive sign over here. It means that this is a first expression. It must be a positive sign. So when we can find the value of a, what we can do, this is in multiplication. So when it moves towards other side, so it will be the division of this. So actually a is equal to minus 2 divided by 4. So cancel this term, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will become a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now what we can do, we can take another term, x is equal to minus 5 in this equation. Now put x is equal to minus 5. First we will write the equation x minus 1 into a x plus 5 plus b into x plus 1. When we can take x is equal to minus 5, so this is minus 5 minus 1, this is minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 1. So minus minus plus 5 plus 1, 6 with greater sign, so it is negative. A into minus 5 plus 5, it will give us 0, so this is 0, plus b minus 5 plus 1, so minus plus minus 5 minus 1, this is 4 with greater sign. Now this is minus 6. Similarly, this term will be vanished. A will be vanished because this is in the product of 0, and we know that anything will multiplied with 0, so it gives us 0. Similarly, plus minus minus, so it will become minus 4b. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, or you can just cancel the minus minus sign on both sides, or you can multiply minus 1 on both sides. So minus minus, it will become plus 1 6 are 6. Similarly, minus minus, it will become plus into 4 1s are 4b. When we can find the value of b, so 4 is in multiplication, another side it will move on division, so it will become like this: 6 by 4 is equal to b. So 3 2s are 2 3s are 6, and similarly 2 2s are 4, so it will become 3 by 2. Similarly, this is b is equal to 3 by 2. Now we will put x a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 2 in this equation. Just I can write this equation over here. So this is x minus 1 into x plus 1, x plus 5 is equal to a x plus 1 plus b x plus 5. This is nothing but this is a same equation. This is, I can write this equation over here. So here we can just put the value of a, and here we can put the value of b. So this is minus 1, and when we can multiply this over here, so 2 into x plus 1 plus 3 by 2. So when we can multiply this, it will become x plus 5. Just for a simplification, if you can find the solution to this part, so you did. But if you can like more simplify it, so what we can did, actually the positive value we can take first, and the negative value we can take on the another step, so it doesn't affect. Now this is question 2. Now we can proceed for question 3. So 1 into x square minus 1. So 1 into x square, similarly minus 1. So either we can take square, cube, 4th power, so 1 cannot affect. So here just I can write square on 1, because 1 square is again 1. So that's why x square minus 1 square, it will become the same thing. So actually I can did some steps in this portion. Let's say this is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b plus b. This is a formula. Here we can find x minus 1 and x plus 1. Here we can write like x minus 1 and x plus 1. So to introduce a and b, this is a linear equation.